Welcome back, guys. We're at Show Me Tent. We're wrapping cars, doing tent jobs. We got a little sunshine today. Thank the Lord for that, because we're getting busier. We're working on a little bit more of this Damascus. Did I show you the front? Did I show you the front already? The front's all done. The guy loved it so much. Everybody's just been oohing and on over this. And I hope it picks up on camera well, because in person, it looks amazing. And this is a paint protection film, so it is nice that it lasts for a long time. I think like 7 to 10 years or something like that. The guy wanted to put a little bit more on the back, so we put a little bit back here, put a little kit on here. This guy's gonna pick this up today, and he's gonna be balling out of control. So yeah, he's hyped. He's super hyped. It's like, I hope I can get him on camera, because he is hyped. And we're just starting a new realm of projects. Nick's back from spring break, so he's got a big project ahead of him. He's gonna wrap this Jeep purple. We're doing it midnight purple, Nick? Midnight purple. The bumper off, you can see, that's how it starts. First day is disassembly, so he's taking it all apart. Nick gets in there, rips it all apart. We'll put it all back together later. Here's kind of the color. I don't know if we can really unwrap this because of the way it'll just roll, but you can kind of see it. It gets super purple. I don't know if you guys were here for the 370Z we did. We did one of those. It was pretty cool. Oh, I got something cool to show you next door. I bet you've never seen one of these before. I almost forgot about that. Let's go check it out real quick. It seems to be a wave of these things. But yeah, it's right around the corner. One of you girls want to pull one of the lightnings around real quick to the back door? Yeah, we're starting to fill up. It's summer day, a little bit. I'm gonna wrap a semi-truck. Hopefully this thing's not locked. Styling and profiling. Can't wait for summer, honestly. I just can't wait to show you guys how hard I'm gonna ball this town out. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna be doing all the wraps, all the tent. And it's gonna get wild. Oh, I got some paint in here too. Forgot about that. Let's see if it's open. Oh yeah, come on in. All right. Looking a little better. Looking more like a shoppish. But I wanted to show you this little thing over here in the corner. So this is like another jet boat, but it's like made to like be like a ski. Like it's like a jet ski jet boat. I don't know if I can get in here. Give you an idea how big it is. It's a little guy. And the guy that drives this thing is way bigger than me, right? And he likes going super fast. He's got a bunch of fast stuff. But this thing, I think they make it out of a jet ski. I mean, there's a guy in town that'll build you one of these right now. It looks like it's got a little just like a little trigger. They said 2 inches of water, 70 miles an hour. I mean, dude, that's too much. That is too much. They want me to get one. Of course I'm thinking about it, obviously. But yeah, so that's the exciting part. We're gonna wrap this. I think we're wrapping it like a crazy teal. This is a jet boat. So this is like a little tiny, I didn't even know this guy. He just like brought it up. He said, dude, hey, wrap this for me. I'm gonna leave it with you. Get to it when you can. This guy's race cars are super fast. He's into like stupid fast stuff. But really, I mean, honestly, to have this thing built would be cheaper than my supercharged jet ski. So, I mean, it's definitely a possibility. Got a little more white in here, looking a little brighter. Should be working out of here soon. Let's go down to the tent shop and see what's going on. We got cars everywhere you look. Oh yeah. Does it say Show Me Tent on this side or this side? Yeah. Come get a free pair if you want it. Stop in. Share this post and I'll give you like a t-shirt or something. Jump in there. Make me order some t-shirts. I'm down. Let's do some cool stuff. What up, guys? I wanted to come say hi. See what you're doing. Why does it smell weird in here? Oh, golly. What are you making? Dude, yeah, that smells horrible. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. You ate that, Trey? Was it good? Don't be sensitive over here. What are you doing? We got more going in, more going out. What's next on the list? We had a bunch of people in here today. We booked a bunch of appointments out. You know, it's that time of year, first day of spring here. Springfield Mo, I don't know where you're at. So stop by and get some glasses, whatever. But it's gonna be popping. It's just, we're like right there, it's on the edge, you know? We got a bunch of new cool projects coming in. I think we've got a pretty cool truck coming in. I'm gonna have another boat coming in a couple days. I've got a bunch of cool wraps coming down, so if you're into the wraps, you know, it's gonna be like, we've got a crazy, super rare color change film. It's called Antisocial. Antisocial's coming in, which is like one of like, I want to say like 300 rolls made. You know, we pre-bought a roll. So we've got that coming in. Super crazy. It's got this crazy carbon hood on it. You know, that's one that's going to be super sick. We're doing a big flop of colors on this, one of those aviators coming down. So that's going to be sick too. We're gonna do it like on a matte white with gloss black accents. We're gonna have the wheels done, big chrome delete status. I'm trying to think, there's a bunch of, I mean, besides just like wrapping a semi and jet boats and stuff, you know, it's a bunch of cool stuff. Not bad for just a regular tint shop. We're excited. It's time to blow up, because by this time of year, we're done with winter. We're like, go away winter. Don't come back. Drew's gonna go do some burnouts, going to Florida. You should like cut to a video of him doing that burnout in the middle of the intersection. That would be. What'd you think of that? They shut down the whole intersection, bunch of his hooligan friends, just so he could do a burnout in the middle of the intersection. Almost got arrested, didn't get arrested. I mean, the cop kind of showed up.
Yeah. We had a kid pass away in that same intersection like a week and a half before, so.
It was in memory of him. He was a big supporter of this Kid for Kids. So Drew was like, hey man, I'm gonna go do this burnout. If I get thrown in jail, will you come bail me out? And I was like, and he told me a story. I was like, sure, I'll get you out of there.
I'm surprised I didn't.
No, I'm surprised too, you know what I mean? So it's just something we do. Well, a lot of fun stuff. You'll see a lot of those this summer. We get a little pretty wild with it a little bit. All in our own vehicles though. You can't do it. Customers hate that stuff. You know what I mean? So they're always like, don't do that in my vehicle. I'm like, we have a bunch of toys we play with. No, we don't need yours. We like working on them, making them cool. Yeah, make sure you check it out, follow it up. You know what I mean? If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't, hit that thumbs down button twice. Comment, share, whatever you need. Hit us up. All right, thanks guys.